Right, moment of truth. And we here. Alright, so I know that we're doing a bunch of work on. Finishing up a bunch of work on that. And gonna swap out an alternator on that. And then this thing's just waiting. Orange storage, cutie storage. You know? So today I'm gonna be starting off with this Mitsubishi Eclipse right here. Customer dropped it off yesterday. Came in for, he said it was, the alternator was going out. He drove back up here from LA, had no issues pretty much the whole way. Once he got back into the Bay Area, the battery died on him. He said he replaced the battery and just it wouldn't hold a charge, just drained it pretty much immediately. So yeah, that's the first thing we're gonna be getting into. And alright, so this kid's saying his alternator is going out, not charging his battery up. First inspection here. Yeah, let me just show you. So digging through this thing, just putting eyes on everything. You know, obviously the first thing you want to check is your belts. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but this thing ain't got no alternator belt. So, might be one of the reasons why it's not charging the battery up. So it turns out there wasn't much I could do about the starter bolts, but I was able to get both the belts replaced. So it's got its alternator belt on there. It's got a new power steering AC belt on there. Got the ground onto something because I couldn't get it in there because that bolt was broken off. So we're on our way to the pet store right now, and I think Nico's pretty aware of it. We're gonna go get some dog food, some fresh kibbles, some chicken stew. What else? What else should we get, huh? What do you think, Nico? Where are we going? Oh, he is pumped. This is one of the many most exciting things for Nico. As we're pulling up to Petco. Just make sure everybody gets in and out of this parking lot safely, because it's kind of a struggle sometimes. Yup. I know, Nico. And here we are. Where are we? We at the pet store? So I recently busted the door handle on the inside of my Subaru. So my fix to the solution is these handy dandy guys here. And basically just get right up in there, grab the little doohickey, pull on her, boom, we're open. I just came out of the pet store and this thing's parked next to me. This thing is badass. Good work. Leave for 20 minutes. Come back, boss man's here.
Oh shoot.
What's up, Carlo? Not
On.
much, man. You know, just getting the vlog life on, dude.
Actually, yeah, I'm gonna do one too later.
Yeah, dude, these things are monsters. That's just half of it. Joe's subs, Joe's sandwiches. Got Nico guarding from the kitties. Nico, did you get some Joe's? Just getting back from picking up some suspension for the Subaru. Finally gonna get rid of the clunking that's been going on, I hope. All right, got it all finished up. Haven't done a test drive yet, but it's like going on 1:30 a.m. So I'm gonna pull this thing out and call it a night. So yeah, peace out.